Ra.
The number 144,000 is associated with the original souls of the legions of Archangel Michael, who were destined to populate Earth, whose destiny is to bring heaven to Earth. This group comprises people of various ethnic groups, belief systems, and karmic histories. The 144,000 lightworkers are here to dispel the darkness and illusions that cloud our physical reality. Archangel Michael is a symbol of divine justice and punishment for all disharmonies. He is God's right hand, and he balances mercy and severity. Archangel Michael is also connected to Saint George, the slayer of dragons. The prophecy has similarities to predictions made by Mayan and Native American prophecies and other wisdom traditions. According to the Michael prophecy made by Rudolf Steiner, these high-level initiates will incarnate near the end of the century. The 144,000 are a specific number of people who have a superior destiny and a distinct role at the time of the end of the world.